नमस्ते, हिंदी पॉड 101.com में स्वागत है।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। हाय, माय नेम इज प्रेरणा। नाइस टू मीट यू। वेलकम टू HindiPod101.com's Hindi in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Hindi. In the last lesson, we learned how to count in Hindi. I hope you spent some time practicing the numbers because they'll come in handy today. We're going to learn how to go shopping in India. Before we go, you need to know how to say how much is this? इसका भाव क्या है? इसका भाव क्या है? Are you ready to go shopping in India? Let's go. You see something you like and want to ask the shopkeeper how much it costs. The first thing to say to a shopkeeper is माफ कीजिए. Do you remember what that means? Excuse me. माफ कीजिए, इसका भाव क्या है? माफ कीजिए, इसका भाव क्या है? If we want to be more specific when asking how much is this and refer to a certain type of object, we just need to insert the object in between the word iska, between is and ka. Let's see an example. Suppose you want to buy a hat in the market. Hat in Hindi is topi. So, how much is this hat? इस टोपी का भाव क्या है? इस टोपी का भाव क्या है? But what if you want to buy several hats? Then you'd have to use a new word, इनका, which means these. Excuse me, how much are these? In Hindi is माफ कीजिए, इनका भाव क्या है? माफ कीजिए, इनका भाव क्या है? At this point, the shopkeeper can answer by saying इसका दाम plus the cost plus है, or ये plus the cost plus का plus है. For example, इसका दाम 50 रुपए है, और ये 50 रुपए का है. What number is 50? I'm not telling you. Okay, it's 50. It costs 50 rupees. Now it's time for Prerna's points. Another very common way of asking how much is it is ये कितने का है? And if you want to be more specific and mention the thing you want to know the price of, all you need to do is insert the object after ये सेब कितने का है? Which means how much is this apple? At this point, can you count rupees in Hindi? We are going to learn how to do this and much more in the next lesson. I'll be waiting for you in our next Hindi in 3 minutes lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. See you then.